Welcome to Peak AI, where we explore the forefront of artificial intelligence and its groundbreaking advancements. Welcome to Peak AI, your source for the latest impactful developments in artificial intelligence. Today we have a lineup of stories that are reshaping industries. Now, the top 4 AI advancements announced since March 14th, 2025, that are set to redefine our future. On March 17th, 2025, Apple confirmed that Mike Rockwell, the executive who led the development of the Vision Pro and Apple's broader spatial computing efforts, has now been appointed as the head of Siri's next-gen AI development. The announcement was first reported by Wired and later confirmed by TechCrunch and Reuters, along with updates to Apple's internal org chart. Rockwell now leads a newly consolidated Apple Intelligence Group, which merges Siri, on-device AI, and AR/VR intelligence initiatives. By doing this, Apple is signaling a deep integration between AI and spatial computing, placing Siri at the center of its post-iPhone strategy. Rockwell's move is seen as an effort to rebuild Siri from the ground up. Using Apple's Ajax LLM makes Siri central to Vision Pro's interface and bridge the gap between conversational AI, gesture controls, and real-time environmental awareness. Mike Rockwell is best known for launching Vision Pro, Apple's first spatial computer, spearheading breakthroughs in real-time SLAM tracking and ultra-low latency display systems, and running Apple's technology development group, with a focus on long-term R&D. His reputation inside Apple is that of a quiet disruptor, someone who delivers moonshot innovations while staying out of the spotlight. Rockwell's team is expected to ship a beta version of the new Siri in iOS 19 this year, fully integrate Siri into the next Vision Pro OS release by early 2026, and introduce multimodal, context-aware AI features across Apple's ecosystem. Was there a financial and market impact? Yes. Apple's shares rose 3.2% after the leadership shift was announced. Amazon and Google stocks dipped slightly amid fears of renewed Siri competitiveness. Analysts expect AI-focused hiring to increase across Apple campuses in Cupertino and Zurich. Second, we have NVIDIA unveiling next-gen Blackwell GPUs and AI tools at GTC 2025. At the recent GTC 2025 conference, NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, introduced a series of groundbreaking advancements. Central to these announcements is the new generation of Blackwell GPUs, designed to deliver unprecedented performance and efficiency. The Blackwell Ultra NVL72 is slated for release in late 2025, with subsequent models like the Rubin NVL144 and Rubin Ultra NVL576 scheduled for 2026 and 2027, respectively. These GPUs are not just about raw power. They're engineered to optimize data center operations and support the next wave of AI applications. Alongside the hardware, NVIDIA unveiled Dynamo, an operating system tailored for AI factories, streamlining processes and enhancing productivity. One of the standout revelations was the Isaac GR00T N1 robot, the world's first open, fully customizable foundation model for generalized humanoid reasoning and skills, embodying NVIDIA's advancements in robotics and AI integration. This robot showcases the potential of combining cutting-edge hardware with sophisticated AI models, promising to transform multiple industries. These developments underscore NVIDIA's commitment to leading the AI revolution, providing the tools and infrastructure necessary for the next generation of technological breakthroughs. Third, we have Baidu launching Ernie X1, rivaling advanced AI models. Shifting our focus to China, Baidu has made a significant leap in AI development, challenging global competitors with its latest offerings. Baidu recently unveiled its AI model, Ernie X1, positioning it as a formidable competitor to China's DeepSeek. What sets Ernie X1 apart is its cost efficiency, making advanced AI capabilities more accessible to a broader range of applications. In tandem, Baidu introduced an updated foundational AI model, Ernie 4.5, claiming it surpasses OpenAI's GPT 4.5 in performance metrics. This assertion, if consistently validated, could shift the dynamics in the AI community, prompting a reevaluation of current benchmarks. These advancements reflect China's rapid progress in AI innovation, challenging the cost structures and performance standards set by American tech giants. The ripple effects are evident in the hardware sector, with companies like NVIDIA experiencing stock fluctuations in response to these developments. Moreover, a recent shift in Beijing's regulatory stance, now more supportive of the tech sector, has catalyzed a revival in Chinese tech stocks, signaling a more favorable environment for innovation and investment. Demis Hassabis's vision for AI is both inspiring and ambitious. As a leading figure in the AI community, Hassabis envisions a future where AI not only augments human capabilities but also addresses some of the most pressing challenges facing our world today. His work continues to drive forward the boundaries of what we believe is possible with AI, setting a path for future innovations that could transform our society in profound ways. Demis Hassabis envisions AI's role in solving global challenges with AGI to be attained in the next 10 years. In a thought-provoking perspective, CEO of Google DeepMind, Hassabis suggests that within the next decade, AI could play a crucial role in curing all diseases, revolutionizing healthcare by enabling rapid drug discovery and personalized medicine. Additionally, he believes AI could be instrumental in solving energy crises, optimizing energy consumption, and uncovering new sustainable energy sources. However, with these advancements come significant societal shifts. Hassabis acknowledges that as AI systems become more capable, they may outperform humans in various tasks, leading to job obsolescence in certain sectors. This transition necessitates a re-evaluation of human roles and the development of new philosophical frameworks to find meaning and purpose in an AI-dominated future. He emphasizes the importance of incorporating diverse global perspectives in AI development, moving beyond a Silicon Valley-centric approach to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. Key takeaways. Your take-home points from this week's news are: Mike Rockwell, the man behind Vision Pro, now leads Series AI transformation by unifying spatial computing and conversational AI under a single vision. NVIDIA's Blackwell GPUs are set to significantly boost AI computational capabilities with the introduction of the Isaac GR00T N1 robot, exemplifying the fusion of AI with robotics, paving the way for innovative solutions in various industries. And Baidu's Ernie X1 and Ernie 4.5 models signify China's growing competitiveness in the AI arena. The emphasis on cost efficiency and performance challenges existing AI models, potentially leading to more accessible AI solutions globally. Well, that wraps up this week's AI updates. If you made it this far, you clearly love staying ahead in AI. Why not subscribe so you never miss an update? And what do you think about these developments? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you found this fascinating, share it with a friend who loves AI as much as you do.